Hello, this is INE Foundation Lab 2 and this is section 2.8 VTP. Config VTP version 2 on switch 1, 2, 3 and 4 with the domain name CSI_VTP. Authenticate the VTP control plane with the password CSI_pass. Okay, we have to config VTP version 2 on switch 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have three versions of VTP. One is version 1, version 2 and version 3. We have to come with version 2. I will explain this version later. Switch 2 should be the only switch in charge of creating VLANs. Okay, it means switch 2 should be in server mode. Server. No other switch should be allowed to add or modify VLANs in the topology. Other VLANs should be in client mode. So client. Config VLANs 121, 124, 222 and 239 on switch 2 and ensure that switch 1, 3 and 4 can create them dynamically via VTP. Okay, because switch 2 is in server mode, if we create these VLANs, switch 1 and 3 and 4, because they are on client mode, they should be able to receive these VLANs from switch 2. Okay, let's review VTP and jump into conversion. VTP stands for VLAN Trunk Protocol. Is used to distribute VLANs to all switches on the domain. VTP is called proprietary protocol. VTP packets are sent in either ISL or .1Q. These are trunking encapsulation protocols. VTP uses summary advertisement to inform adjacent switches of the current VTP domain name and the configuration revision number. It uses summary advertisement to inform other switches for its configuration revision number and domain name. We have four VTP modes. One is server, client, transparent and off. In server mode, we can specify or configure configuration parameters such as VTP version, pruning, domain name, password, and we can also create, modify and delete VLANs in VTP server mode. Client mode is the same as VTP server. We can configure VTP parameters such as version, password, pruning and domain name, but we cannot create, modify and delete VLANs on client mode. Transparent is the same as server, but it is local. It is local to the switch. VTP transparent switches do not participate in VTP. But transparent switches do forward VTP advertisement. They forward VTP advertisement. Off mode is the same as VTP transparent, but VTP advertisements are not forwarded. We have three versions of VTP, 1, 2, 3. Version 2 is the same as version 1, plus it supports token ring. In version 3 we have more other parameters or features. Version 3 supports extended VLANs. VLAN 1006 to 4094. But version 1 and 2 only support normal range VLANs 1 to 1005. Version 3 supports private VLAN. In version 3 we have one other mode. One is VTP primary server and secondary servers. We have two VTP server mode. One is primary, the other one is secondary. It supports enhanced authentication. It supports auto-spam VLANs. Remote spam VLANs can now be synchronized. It supports MST. MST configuration are synchronized in VTP version 3. And it is backport compatibility with version 1 and 2. And has ability to be configured on per port basis. And for configure VTP domain name, we have to use VTP domain command. To verify client server mode, we use VTP mode command. To configure password, we use VTP password command. And for version 1 and 2 and 3, we use VTP version command. And for verification, we can use show VTP status and show VTP password for our VTP password verification. Okay, now let's configure our scenario. I have to configure switch 2 as server and other switches as client. Okay, let's configure VTP version should be 2. VTP version 2. Let's see other in config mode. Okay, VTP version 2. VTP domain name should be CCIE underscore VTP. And VTP password should be VTP underscore pass. Switch 2 should be in server mode. We use VTP mode server. Another switch should be client. VTP mode client and VTP mode client and switch 3 and switch 4. Okay, now I have to configure VLANs on switch 2. VLAN 121, VLAN 124, VLAN 124, VLAN 222, and VLAN 239. Other switches should be able to receive VLANs. I have more VLANs configured. Well, this is I have more VLANs for this links between switch 3 and water 9, while VLAN 239. I have all these VLANs configured. 103, 57 and others. Okay, so let's verify configuration. Show VTP password. VTP underscore pass VTP underscore pass, correct, pass, correct, and show VTP status. Switch 2 should be in on server mode. It's a server. We have 20 VLANs compared. This is our VTP domain name. Version is version 2. 2 domain name, server, and 20 VLAN compared. We have 20 VLAN compared. This is client and this is domain. Correct. Search for client. We have 20 VLANs and this is domain and this is version 2. And search 2. This is version 2. Domain name. This is server and 20. Client, client, and client. 20 VLAN, 2 and 20. Okay, this is our VTP configuration. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for viewing.